Okay, we're going to skip ahead to working example number 3. This is where Andrew and Fari are sharing a bag of popcorn at the movies. I don't know if they're on a date, whatever. By himself, Fari can eat the whole bag of popcorn in 20 minutes. Andrea takes 25 minutes to eat the whole bag. She's a lady, I guess. If they both eat popcorn at their usual rates, how quickly will they eat the popcorn? So now they're going to eat it together. So how long will it take them to eat it? So first of all, we're going to let x equal the time in minutes it takes for them both to eat it. To eat together. Okay, so what I'm saying is this is x right here. It's their time to eat in minutes that they both eat it. So Andrea, we said, eats it in 25 minutes, and Fari eats it in 20 minutes. Okay, so in 1 minute, Andrea has eaten 1/25 of the bag. In 1 minute, Fari has eaten 1/20th of the bag, and together they've eaten 1x of the bag in 1 minute. So after X minutes, they've eaten X over 25. So let's say it's 5 minutes. It would be 5/25 Andrea has eaten. Fari has eaten X over 25 minutes. And together they've eaten X times 1 over X, which is just simplifies to they've eaten 1, the whole bag. Okay? Um, so in other words, if the fraction that A eats and the fraction that, sorry, Andrea eats and the fraction that Fari eats is equal to the total, or is equal to 1. So x over 25 plus x over, whoops, made a mistake in my table, x over 20 should be right here, plus x over 20 is equal to 1. So in x minutes, in the time it took them, remember we said x is equal the time to eat the bag together. So she's eaten x 25ths of it, he's equal x 20th of it, but together they've eaten the whole bag. And so now we have a rational equation that we can solve. So again, what we have to do first is factor the denominator, same steps. There is no denominator to factor here. They're real numbers. There's no factoring here. Then we have to look for non-permissibles. Again, no non-permissibles. So now we multiply both sides by the lowest common denominator. Okay? So we have 25 and 20. Okay. 25 can be written as 5 times 5, and 20 can be written as 5 times 4. So 5 appears in both of them. We have another 5, and we have another 4 there. So the lowest common denominator is going to be 5 times 5 times 4, which is 25 times 4, which is 100. So we're going to multiply both sides of this equation by 100. Okay? So I get 100 x over 25 plus 100 x over 20 equals 100. Okay, 100 over 25 is just 4. So I have 4x plus 100 over 20 is 5x, plus 5x is equal to 100. So I get 9x equals 100. X is equal to 100 over 9. I grab my calculator. 100 divided by 9 is 11.11. Does that make sense? Does it make sense that it would take 11 minutes for them to eat it? Knowing that it takes her 20 minutes to eat a bag and it takes him 25 minutes to eat a bag, that it would take them together only 11 minutes to eat the bag? That does make sense, doesn't it? Okay. because it's like there's two of them eating it. So think about it, if it took him 20 minutes to eat a bag, if there was two people at that same rate, it would take them 10 minutes. But she's a little longer, so that makes sense that it would be about 11 minutes. Okay? So together it takes them just over 11 minutes to eat the popcorn bag. There you go. Go to the movies, calculate how long it takes you to eat some popcorn, impress your friends.